Welcome to Informed Tourist A.I, ready to swap traffic jams for tranquil canals and skyscrapers for stunning centuries-old architecture? Then pack your bags and let's drift along to Venice, a city that time and cars forgot. Venice is a place that needs no introduction. It's instantly recognizable, a postcard come to life. But beneath the stunning facade of palaces and bridges, there's a city brimming with hidden stories, local flavors, and a unique way of life. So, are you ready to ditch the guidebook and discover the real Venice? Join me as we dive into the heart of this floating marvel. Venice is like stepping into a dream. Built on a lagoon with canals for streets and boats for buses, it's a city that defies logic and captivates the soul. Where else can you get serenaded by a gondolier as you glide past Renaissance palaces? But Venice is more than just a pretty face. It's a living, breathing city with a rich history, vibrant culture, and a unique way of life. Venetians have navigated their watery world for centuries, creating a society that's as adaptable as it is charming. So ditch the map, lose yourself in the labyrinthine streets, and discover the magic of Venice. Trust me, it will be a journey you won't soon forget. No trip to Venice is complete without a gondola ride. Yes, it's touristy, but it's also undeniably romantic. Gliding silently along the canals, serenaded by a singing gondolier, sometimes, it's an experience that will stay with you long after you've left. And speaking of canals, the Grand Canal is the most famous of them all. Lined with magnificent palaces, churches, and bridges, it's a breathtaking spectacle of Venetian grandeur. Hop on a vaporetto or water bus for a budget-friendly cruise and soak up the views. Don't forget to visit St. Mark's Square, the heart of Venice. This bustling piazza is home to St. Mark's Basilica, the Doge's Palace, and countless pigeons. Watch your gelato. While the iconic sights are a must-see, Venice's true charm lies in its hidden corners. Escape the crowds and discover the tranquil backstreets known as Calli. Get lost in the maze of canals and bridges and stumble upon hidden courtyards, quaint shops, and charming cafes. Venture beyond St. Mark's and explore the quieter Sestieri, or districts like Dorsoduro, known for its art galleries and student vibe, or Cannaregio with its authentic Venetian atmosphere. Here you'll find a different side to Venice, where locals gather and life moves at a slower pace. For a unique perspective, visit the island of San Giorgio Maggiore. The bell tower offers breathtaking panoramic views of Venice, especially stunning at sunset. Section 5. Venetian Tales, Stories, and Secrets. Behind Venice's beauty lies a treasure trove of fascinating stories waiting to be discovered by those who wander its winding streets and serene canals. Did you know that Venice was once a powerful maritime republic, ruling the waves for centuries? Its naval prowess and strategic location made it a dominant force in the Mediterranean, or that the city's iconic masks originated from the plague used to conceal identities and ward off disease? These masks have now become a symbol of Venetian culture, celebrated during the annual carnival. Every corner of Venice whispers with history, from the grand palaces to the humble alleyways. Each stone and brick has a story to tell. Explore the Doge's Palace, once the seat of Venetian power, and imagine the intrigues that unfolded within its walls. The palace is a masterpiece of Gothic architecture, filled with opulent rooms and secret passages. Visit the Rialto Bridge, once the only bridge across the Grand Canal, and marvel at its architectural ingenuity. This iconic structure has been a bustling marketplace and a vital crossing point for centuries. And don't forget to listen closely to the locals. Their stories are the heartbeat of Venice, passed down through generations. The locals love to share their city's tales. You might hear about the ghost of Casanova, the legendary lover and adventurer who once roamed these streets. Or the legend of the Bridge of Sighs, where prisoners would take their last look at the beautiful city before being led to their cells. And beneath the canals, secrets lie hidden, waiting to be uncovered by the curious traveler. Section 6. A Feast for the Senses, Venetian Cuisine. Venetian cuisine is a delightful journey through flavors and traditions that have been perfected over centuries. Venetian food is about simplicity and freshness. The ingredients are often sourced locally, ensuring that every dish bursts with authentic flavors. Seafood is king here, pulled straight from the lagoon and served up in delectable dishes. From succulent clams to tender octopus, the bounty of the sea is celebrated in every bite. Don't miss the cicchetti, small snacks or tapas, perfect for a light lunch or aperitivo. These bite-sized delights range from marinated vegetables to creamy cod spread, offering a taste of Venice in every morsel. For a true taste of Venice, try sarde and sour, sweet and sour sardines, or risotto al nero di seppia, risotto blackened with squid ink. These traditional dishes showcase the unique blend of flavors that define Venetian cuisine. And of course, indulge in some creamy gelato, the perfect way to cool down on a hot day. With flavors ranging from classic vanilla to exotic pistachio, there's a gelato for every palate. For a truly Venetian experience, dine at a Baccari, small informal bars serving ticchetti and local wine. These cozy spots are perfect for unwinding after a day of exploring the city. It's a great way to mingle with locals and soak up the city's vibrant atmosphere. The lively chatter, clinking glasses, and warm hospitality make dining at a Baccari an unforgettable experience. Section 7. Beyond the Rialto, shopping and souvenirs. Venice is a shopper's paradise, offering everything from high-end designer boutiques to artisan workshops. The Rialto area is a good place to start, with its bustling market and array of shops. For a unique souvenir, head to Murano, famous for its exquisite glass blowing. Watch artisans create intricate pieces and pick up a colorful glass bauble or vase to take home. Burano, with its brightly painted houses, is another must-visit, known for its intricate lacework. And don't forget to haggle. It's part of the fun, especially at the Rialto market. A friendly smile and a bit of bargaining can go a long way. Section 8. Venetian life, sports, leisure, and local fun. Venetians are passionate about their city and their traditions. One of the most iconic Venetian events is the Regatta Storica, a historic boat race held on the Grand Canal every September. The atmosphere is electric, with colorful boats, costumed rowers, and cheering crowds. For a more laid-back experience, join the locals for a passeggiata, an evening stroll through the streets. It's a chance to socialize, catch up on the day's events, and enjoy the cool evening air. And for a taste of Venetian culture, attend a classical music concert. Venice has a long and rich musical tradition, and there are numerous venues hosting performances throughout the year. Section 9. Arrivederci, Venezia. Until next time. As your Venetian adventure comes to an end, take a moment to soak it all in. Reflect on the beauty that surrounds you, the intricate details of the architecture, and the serene waters that cradle this magnificent city. The sights, the sounds, the smells, the unique rhythm of life in this floating city. Each meal, each aroma tells a story of tradition and passion. Venice is a place that stays with you long after you've left, a memory that will forever shimmer in your mind. The gentle sway of the gondola, the soft murmur of the canals, these are experiences that become a part of you. Remember the thrill of getting lost in the labyrinthine streets, the sense of wonder as you turn each corner, not knowing what hidden gem you might find next. The joy of discovering a hidden trattoria, where the food is as authentic as the warm smiles of the locals who welcome you. The magic of a gondola ride at sunset with the sky painted in hues of orange and pink, creating a perfect backdrop for romance. These are the moments that make Venice truly special. The bustling squares, the historic architecture, each telling a story of a time long past yet still alive in the present. But don't let your journey end here. Let the spirit of Venice inspire you to seek out new horizons, to embrace the unknown with excitement and curiosity. Take the spirit of adventure with you, pack it alongside your souvenirs, and let it guide you to new experiences and destinations. Continue to explore the world with open eyes and an open heart. Every place has its own magic, its own stories waiting to be discovered. Until next time, keep the spirit of adventure alive. Section 10. Your adventure awaits. Explore with us. We hope you've enjoyed this virtual voyage to Venice. Now it's your turn to experience the magic firsthand. Share your Venetian adventures with us. We'd love to hear about your favorite discoveries, hidden gems, and unforgettable moments. And tell us, where should Informed Tourist AI take you next? Let us know what cities, countries, or regions you'd like to explore, and we'll be your virtual guide to the world's most amazing destinations. Until then, happy travels. Thank you for watching. Informed Tourist AI, please be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. It's completely free and it's a huge support. Also, if there is a city you want to know about, just comment and ask. Please subscribe.